Hi everyone, this is a YouTube tutorial on how to use Asana as a project management tool for personal use or to be shared with other team members to coordinate the work. First things first, we will need to create a profile. I've created mine very simply here, just my name, short version of my name. Actually it's up here, my name, my role, department, and something about me if this is a work environment that you share with other team members. If it's just for the purpose of yourself, I think your name should be sufficient. On to the right, go to the plus sign, you create a project. As you can see here, I have already four projects created. I can add a fifth one, so I can call this test 1. I can add a description at this point in time, or I can save it for later on. Anything that we do here is something you can revisit later on to edit or make changes or even delete. So once I've created a project, I can then go and add two other functions. I can add sections to this project, or I can add tasks, or I can add both actually. I'd like to add a section. So my section here is assignments, and within this section I'm going to add my second assignment, being YouTube, first in this case. I can add a owner to this assignment. In this case that would be myself, or I can add someone else within my team. If I'd like to add a team member, I just go up here, I just simply enter their email address. In this case I created a fake one for the purpose of this example, johnsmith@gmail.com. I can click on this, add as a member, and the invitation will go to John to be joining Asana, and John will have access only to this project being test 1, not to all of them. If I want John to have access to all of the assignments, then I can add John individually to each of the assignments. To this particular assignment, then I can add, project, I can add, I can move on to the right here and add a due date. So let's say the 24th. I can love this assignment. I can add subtasks. So in this case, I want to create this YouTube project by today, and I want to publish it by Wednesday, let's go back, very easy to change, by Wednesday, which coincides with the due date. To each of the subtasks, I can add an owner. So in this case, again, it would be myself, or it would be someone else that I'm sharing this project with. I love this feature here. I can add attachments, any presentations, any supporting documents to each of the tasks, as well as I can add comments. I could say, for example, that this project is worth 40%, just as a reminder to myself, assuming that's the case, and I'm done. So not only I've updated my profile or created my profile, you don't need to do this every time you create a project. It's sort of, you set it once and leave it at that. I've created a project. I've created a task within that project called YouTube, and within YouTube I've created 2 subtasks as well as I've assigned due dates and added a comment. When this project, when this task is completed, I can simply go complete and it will not appear here, just because my view right now is to just show me the incomplete tasks. If I want to see all of the complete tasks, I can go to view complete tasks and this project will show. Just wanted to show you finally how this has been properly set up. Here, for example, I have set mine up based on the projects as well as based on the assignments. Let's go into the YouTube assignment. I've added here a description of my YouTube assignment, as well as I've added a due date. I hope you find this helpful, and thank you for following. Bye.